Swing in Seattle, Shim Sham Stylings Review. Here is what we did today, and thank you again for joining us. We decided to play around with the shape of this. So instead of taking it straight ahead, you could take it going across, you could take it going open. All things are good options. So that could be if you open it up, or if you cross it. We also, in this section, added the shimmies. The shimmies look like 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. We also took a look at the full break. We put a turn going either direction. We could turn to the left, 5, 6, step, touch, and turn to the left. We could turn to the right, 5, 6, step, touch, turn. We also did a bit of a gather and open close, which looks like 5, 6, step, touch, hoo-da. For the pushing section, lots of good options. We can cross behind, which would look like 5, 6, step, and you push it and you push it and you cross over and you push it and you push it and you cross over. 6, 5, 6, 7, and you push it and you push it and you cross over and you push it and you push it and you cross over. Yeah, that sounds good. We also did the pull on the kicks, which looks like 5, 6, 7, and you push it and you push it and you cross over and you push it and you push it and you cross over. We looked at the takiami section, adding the pulling back with the arms, which looks like 5, 6, 7, pull. For the half breaks, we started to draw the foot outside, which looked like 5, 6, 7, 8. Sweet. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's roll. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I do it again. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. E. Thank you so much for coming to our Shim Sham styling class. We'll see